In this video, we have been given that ABCD is isosceles trapezoid and angle BOC is 90 degrees and height is 8. Then we have to find area of ABCD. So ABCD, it is isosceles trapezoid so AC, it will be equal to BD and we have AC is equal to BD and now in triangle BCA and triangle CBD, we have BC is equal to CB and CA is equal to BD and BA is equal to CD. So triangle BCA, it will be congruent to triangle CBD. Hence angle BCA, it will be equal to angle CBD. Suppose alpha, these two angles, they will be equal. Suppose alpha and now in triangle BOC, it is BOC, this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is alpha, this angle is alpha, so 90 degrees plus alpha, it will be 180 degrees and 2 alpha, it will be 180 degrees minus 90 degrees and 2 alpha is 90 degrees, so alpha, it will be 45 degrees, so alpha, it is 45 degrees, alpha is 45 degrees and now angle ADB, it will be equal to angle CBD, that will be 45 degrees and angle DAC, it will be equal to angle BCA, that will be 45 degrees, that are alternate angles. So this angle it will be 45 degrees, and this angle it will be 45 degrees. And from point O, if we make a perpendicular on AD, suppose this point is M, and if we make a perpendicular on BC, suppose this point is N, then in triangle AOM, it is AOM, this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 45 degrees. So this angle it will be also 45 degrees, and these two angles are equal. That means AM it will be equal to OM, and suppose OM is X, then AM it will be also X, AM it will be X, and by the same way DM it will be equal to OM, and OM is X, so DM it will be also X. And suppose ON is Y, then BN it will be equal to ON, that will be Y, BN is Y, and CN it will be equal to ON, that will be Y, CN is Y, and now area of ABCD it will be 1/2 times AD plus BC times height is MN, and it is 1/2 times AD is X plus X, that will be 2X, plus BC is Y plus Y, that will be 2Y, times MN is X plus Y, and it is 1/2, and here we can take 2 common, and it is X plus Y times X plus Y, and 2 will get cancelled, and X plus Y it will be height, that is 8. So X plus Y it is 8 times X plus Y is 8, that will be 64. So it is 64,